Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute heart balloon. So it's perfect for a little gift, and it's really cute and easy to make, and it's really nice, and you can make it any colours. If you know how to make it bigger, then go ahead, but it's really nice and it's the shape of a heart. So you're going to need some balloons. You don't need some S clips, but let's put them there. And we're going to be using a hook, so we're not going to be using a loom. So let's get to it. So you need about 8 or 9 or 10 loom bands. So what you're going to do first is you're going to use one loom band, you're going to wrap it around 3 times like this, and just nudge it down there. Then you're going to get 2 loom bands, and you're just going to put it at the tip of your hook, and you're just going to put this through. It's okay if you do it one by one, like that, and then you're just going to do this, as shown, like that. So once you've done this, you can just move it down there. So you're going to do this again. So get another loom band, and you're going to wrap it around 3 times again, and then you're going to get 2 loom bands. So let's see, this is how much we're going to use. If it's less, then that's how much you need. So, by the way, I think you're going to need 8 loom bands. So I've counted 9. Just want to be organised. So just move them up, like this, and then just move it down low, on here. Like that. So then you're going to have 2 little things there. So these are going to be these parts of the heart. These are really cute and nice. So if you've got like yellow or shiny glitter one, they will be really effective. So you're just going to get one single loom band. So this is a bit darker than the other, so I don't like that one. So if I get that again, you'll notice it's a bit darker. So let's get this at the tip of your hook. I'm just going to move these on. It doesn't matter how you put them on or what side on, put the big loom down. Like that. So now you move them on, you're going to just put it over. So that's how it should look. It's looking a bit similar. Once you've done that, you're going to do what's called a flip knot. So the second one down, you're just going to put it over like this. Then you're going to get another one. And you're going to put this over that. And then you're going to bring that over this way. So you get down low. Like this. So you're going to do the flip knot. And you're just going to tighten it a little. And there you go. You made 2 little heart balloons, and they're really cute. And you can make lots of different colours. They're really nice and cute. So I hope you will subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed making these cute little heart-shaped balloons. So I hope you enjoyed. And I just got loads of loom bands today. And all I need was some hooks and loom bands. Don't even need S clips. So I hope you enjoyed making these. And I hope you thought that my tutorial was good for beginners. So I'm beginning this balloon and making business. I made loom bands. So I have a giant pack. Oops, it got on the side. I had a giant pack of loom bands. It was a whole box. But I threw them away because they were starting to rot. So I hope you enjoyed these cute little loom bands. Loom hearts. Balloons, whatever you call them. So you can make pink ones. I'm going to have a go making these ones using these loom bands because they look really cute. So I'm just going to pause the video while I'm making it. And I'm going to make 3 more, see if you like them. So I'm going to make them different colours. You can't see them, so I'm just going to pause it until I make them. Good day. Hi guys, so I made 2 more. I made this pink one, and I made this white one. So the really cute thing about this is I made the string that's holding the balloon a different colour. So I think it's really effective. So what you have to do to change the colour is like, when you made these 2, when you're going to join them to the one loom band, use a different colour. And it's really cute. And I love these because I think they're really nice. So I'm just going to line them up here. So the loom bands will stop curling up after a while. As you can see, some of them are curling up, like this one right here. But I think they're really adorable. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you made one of these, tell me what colour it was. And tell me if you were able to change the, right, so, and the